Hi there. Let's take a moment and review a math question on the financing topic, addressing when the question is presented with points and down payment. That's what we're going to review with an example of this question. Comments are appreciated, liking it and sharing it with others, and hopefully you are able to sign up for a tutor session in the future. This is a question presented as an example. A buyer wants to purchase a home for $160,000 with a 15% down payment. The lender charges 2 points. How much money does the buyer need up front to make the purchase? Your choices are $2,720, $24,000, $24,408, $26,720. This is your opportunity to pause and see whether you are able to figure out the question. Welcome back. Let's see how you did. The first thing is, let me give you the answer, 26,720. How did we get there? First, we need to figure out the down payment. The question is letting us know that the buyer has 15% of their own money. So 15% applied to the purchase, $160,000. That's how much the down payment is that the buyer is going to bring that day of closing, in addition to other costs. So $24,000. What does then this mean? The buyer's not borrowing the entire $160,000. They're borrowing less $24,000. So how much are they borrowing from the bank? Because that is what the points are going to be applied to. A point is a percentage of the loan. So not the sales price, the loan. How do I figure out how much the loan is? I am going to take out the $24,000 from $160,000 to give me $136,000. Another possible way to come up with the same answer is 100%, take out 15%, because that is money that I have. Therefore, I'm borrowing 85%. So apply 85% to 160,000, gives me 136. Or some of us are going to deduct the 24,000, which is a down payment, to come up with 136,000. Now that I know what they're borrowing, I'm now going to apply the points. Once again, a point is a percentage of the loan. 2 points will be 2%. So then I will apply 2% to the loan, which is 136,000, gives me 2,720. The question asked, how much money does the buyer need to bring up front? This is upfront, means what are they going to pay that day of closing in order for them to get this particular loan and the keys to the house? So the buyer is going to have in their budget the $24,000 plus the $2,720. So $24,000 plus $2,720 gives us $26,720. I'll see you next time. That was awesome, right? You like our style? I look forward to helping you reach your goal of passing the real estate exam. We offer group coaching sessions on a monthly basis, and we also have tutor sessions that would match your availability. Show the love. Go ahead and subscribe. Put your comments in the video here, and we shall respond. Go ahead and like, share it with your friends. I look forward to helping you reach your goal of passing the real estate exam.